Pleased to show you the 2013 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.